Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's install, I got this sleek straight unit from Westkiss hair, and this is their 24-inch HD lace frontal wig. It is a 13x6 frontal and it's HD lace, my favorite type. I haven't done an HD lace install in like almost a year, so this was really fun doing and it looks so natural. I love it. And they said 24 inches, but it feels way longer. Like I would say borderline 28, but I'm not here to complain. The hair is really nice. I was actually shocked. Like I just washed it and let it dry and it was basically like this. My straightener wasn't working, but I just straightened a little bit in the front. The hair quality, amazing. And if you guys would like to purchase this hair, I'll have all the links down below. And if you guys want to see how I installed this, then keep on watching. Okay, so I've already went ahead and done the wig cap method already off camera. It takes me like a while to do both, and then the video will be like hella long, so I just did this off camera. And all I used was the Got To Be gel just to lay it down, and then I put my foundation shade, and this is where we're at. It looks pretty. And then here is the wig. I already did the bleaching of the knots, and I finished plucking, and I also put my foundation shade underneath. So we are ready just to get right into the glue install. This is a tighter wig. It could be the size that I got, but I'll double check. I'm really excited about this install though. I love HD lace wigs. It just makes the whole process easier. Like, look at how snug that is. Oh, it's gonna be good. I have high hopes for this install. This wig just fits really good. Like, look at this. It stops right where it needs to stop. It's pretty wild. I think I'm gonna glue it like right here. Not too close and not too far. I always make a mistake and glue it like a bit too far back, and then it looks odd. It's weird with wigs, you kind of want to come closer than what you normally would, because with the baby hairs and everything, it just looks better. It's weird. Perfect. So for the glue, I'm going to be using Ghost Bond today. I just want to switch it up, honestly. Let's see what this is saying, because I tried it a couple like days ago and it worked pretty well, so I was wondering why I didn't like it, but I think it's fine because my bolt hold is like a little too thick and I'm so confused as to why. I don't know if they like gave me a bad kind or something, but I don't know. Let's just try this. I really want this install to be like perfect. It's been such a while. Well, I did do the brown wig install, but like a black wig install where it's like good lace and I'm doing an actual proper install. It's been a while and I want this to look awesome. By the way, I got my lashes done. I've never gotten them done before and it's so funny. I got them done and now we're going into lockdown, so I can't even get a fill. Okay, so now I'm just going to place the dots and line them up. Okay, so what I've really been liking is just letting it sit like this. So I just let it sit like this, and then I'm going to use this elastic right here and tie it down and make sure that it's like for sure stuck. And just wait about like 5 minutes and then we'll do the rest. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes. I'm gonna take this off. I have a feeling that this is going to be a bomb install. Already looks really good. I'm just going to take the eyebrow razor and cut the lace off. Really good. Oh my gosh. So I'm just gonna go in and glue down whatever is lifting, like this side, and like whatever didn't glue down, just around the perimeter. I'm just gonna do this part off camera because I have to be really close to the mirror, but I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so I've glued down everything and this is what it looks like. It looks so good. Could really stop here and leave it as like a no baby hair type of look, but I love my baby hairs, so I'm gonna make them. I think I'm just gonna pluck a bit more first, and then I'll go ahead and shape up the baby hairs and all that. I'm gonna leave the middle as is, and I'm just gonna do the sides and the little sideburns. And I'm just using some foam wrap. And I'm gonna style it off camera since my battery is about to die, and then I'll come back when it's all done. It's so soft, and I didn't even straighten it. This is just air dried, and it lays really, really flat. You guys can see. I love my low density wig, so this is perfect. And yeah, that is pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this install. I really do like it, and give me a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed the video. Comment below what you would like to see next, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.